Hi, going to make a quick video to show you how to change out the rear windshield wiper blade on a Kia Forte 5. I think this works for the majority of the Kias and the Hyundais that have this type of a wiper blade assembly on the back. It has a little ridge, it comes up at a notch, it's out on there. So anyway, I went to Walmart and I looked in their handy dandy book and pulled out the matching corresponded wiper blade, went over there and picked this one up. I got a Rain-X Expert R12-1, brought it home, opened it up, and realized that it does not have the same connector that I need. This little cylinder in here is not the right size. So taking that back to Walmart, called another automobile store or auto parts store, O'Reilly's. They said, yep, you need this one. It's an A, if you can see that, it's an A310H. This is the exact model. Here is the old, I've already replaced it, but this is the old one that I pulled off, so you can see how that little connector looks at that point. So when I pull, at first when you go to pull this off, you just lift it up like this, and it seems like it's going to be a real hard click, so you apply a little pressure underneath here to move it forward like that, and then your windshield wiper will just slip right off. And so you can see there how that connector looks, how this looks on here, and that's got a little C groove. So when you apply it, when you put it on, you just push that back down into here. So that connects, make that click like that, and drop it on, and it's easy to go. But make sure you get the right one, and don't believe all those little reference manuals at Walmart and some of the other places. Hope this helps you.